Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the AKKO MOD007B-HE Keyboard. This is a magnetic shaft keyboard, really superbly built. It was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by WhatGeek, and no money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely just sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Maybe this will be your next keyboard. Now I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek. But before I show you it in any greater detail, I just want to show you what else you get inside the box. You do get this sticker sheet. Not sure what this would be used for, but this is included inside the packaging. We also get a quality control card and a user manual. This is going to guide you through using the keyboard. And we also get a really nice part coiled cable, USB-C on one end, USB-A on the other end. This is a very, very nice high quality cable, so really impressed to see that. We also get a 2.4 GHz RF receiver. We also get a keycap puller. We also get a switch puller as well. We also get some additional tools, an Allen key and some extra screws. So enough teasing, let's have a look at what's inside the box. And here it is. So this is actually a sort of DIY kit or semi-DIY kit, because this is obviously fully assembled. It just hasn't got the keycaps on it, and this is how it comes supplied. The switches inside are cream yellow magnetic shaft switches, very, very high quality, extremely high quality indeed. It also comes with this plastic cover in the shipping box, so this is nice to not only protect it whilst it's shipping, but also use as a dust cover when it's on your desk. Now obviously you won't use it in this bare format, you're going to put your own keycaps on here, but this really shows the construction of the keyboard, and it is just so good. This has got such a weight to it. It is solid metal. The casing is stunning. We've got this sort of gold brass colour line going through it, and both the top section and the bottom section are metal, and also this backing plate is metal as well. So this is a heavy keyboard. We have got on the base here rubberized feet. We've also got a metal plate on the bottom, again adding to the weight. And then if we look at the back, very plain and simple. Again, this line goes all the way around the circumference of the keyboard. We've got the USB-C connector in the corner here. We've also got this really nice rotary dial which acts as a button, and then of course we've got these cream magnetic shaft key switches, and they're very different in their actuation and the way they feel. Instead of it being a really sort of loud keyboard, it feels very well controlled, and we've got this sort of actuation of the key, but then it really is very responsive and very accurate in the way that it comes up through the switch. I really do like it a lot. In fact, let me give you a closer look at this in action. So we've got a very nice responsive actuation, but also very quiet and dampened. So some of the main features on this are rapid trigger, dynamic keystrokes, magnetic switches. We've got onboard memory. We've got a gasket structure. This is an aluminium CNC milled block as well. 3-pin hot swappable, and also RGB backlighting. This is a mechanical keyboard that offers up a brilliant performance and such a good experience. Whether you're using it for fast-paced FPS games, or even if you're using it for some productivity as well, it's going to actually trigger each keystroke perfectly, and it's got a sort of 2-stage key functionality, which is really very good. So we get that initial trigger, and then we get the force on the switch as well. The onboard memory means you can save settings as well. We've got Hall effect sensors, magnetic 3-pin switches. It is just fantastic. There's also a built-in 3600 milliamp hour battery, which obviously means you can use this wirelessly as well. This is a stunning piece of kit, just exceptional build quality, and I can highly recommend that you pop your favourite keycaps on this and check this out. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. And if you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in another video very very soon.